This is Robin. I have completed my MBA from Dhaka University. After I completed that, I joined a reputed R&D sector, Hams Group, as a PS2 Managing Director. Maximum, I hope you all already know about that. And I also want to tell something before I start my career in R&D sector. I am in BMA long course in Bangladesh Sena Bahini for commission officer. And after completing my 3-month training session, for my ligament, I need to come back from here. And that time I admitted myself in Adamji Cantonment College. And after that, on the meantime also I work in a media as an actor. In every TV channel, published my drama. More than 50 drama I already completed. After starting my career, need to stop because you already understand everyone that as a PS2 managing director of a group of company, is a huge time need to give here. Because when I start with my managing MD, I need to work everywhere, every department, and maximum MD are related with the marketing team. That's why I also need involved in the marketing team. When I work with them, I going the buying meeting and something like that. That time I found that I actually don't know many of things. I have to know because I have a dream, I have a goal. I am want to be a something. That's why I'm coming here. Before coming here, I searched in Google, YouTube, and gather information who are involved in the R&D sector. Which institution is the best for me? Will be best. And I searched, found 3-1. And after 10 to 5 days, I found. And I saw some video also in YouTube also for BGMI. I didn't choose BGMI because it's too far from my living place. And now it's a problem because there is also short course, because I want to learn something from my basic, from my short course, and I want to decide myself what is important for me and what is need for me. That's why. And that day, when which day I actually admitted here, that day I start after completing my Juma Sala, I start my journey, and I decided to go that 3 institution and find out which one the suitable for me. And first of all, I go that I not mention that institution, and I just go and the seeing their office, their cleanness, neat and cleanness, and their appearance, I don't like at all. Just within 3 minutes, I leave. And after that, still now they're messaging me and call me for admitted there, and just block their number. After that, I come here, and when I entered in this institution, I just feel it's a institution, training institution. It's a good, looks like good, and there all staffs, appearance, and receiving way, welcoming process, all are feel me that this is for me. Need to admit right now. And that day, actually, the first class all happening that time. And I requested Mr. Myun Bhai, please give me opportunity for admitting, but he didn't want to give because he said all are seat book, it's not possible. Next batch, I said I don't have that much time. Then I wait 6 months or 4 months after that. Once over a time, he is convinced and give me an opportunity, and thanks for that, for admitted here. And just immediately within 5 minute decision, I admit here, and from that time to still now, I want to say that it's made my life I spend my huge time here, and that's all are important, and I learn here from here many important things. Because before starting this training session, when I go to my factory, I talk with our sample or finishing or sample technician doing inspection. I didn't actually do nothing. Previous that I go for a library and brought 3 or 4 books and find out which part I can learn today. Yesterday night I learned, and after that day I go factory and discuss with this department. But that's not help that much what I gain from there. Now everyone consider Mr. Robin knows something, because I have a basic in my mind. I learn from here. Before coming here, I don't know what is the traffic light, what is the 4-point system, what is the costing, and the knitting, sweater, and oven item. The production system are different, and the costing also different on that person also. And it's helped me a lot. Many things. I learned huge thing from here. And first of all, that's the major point. And the another point is that Mr. Milon Bhai, he's very conscious, very serious about the trading, about our class. Every single class, after complete our class, he come just and listen from us accordingly, not whether the teacher, this class is okay or not. And sometimes he make a call. That class, how was that class? And that's the main thing. If a owner or a dedicated one who want to be a good institution, it's not for this BGMI, it's make a leader somehow for our RM sector. We don't say that there's anyone from not that batch only, the any other 4 or 3-4 batch running there. From there, anyone can be a leader in the future. And if we want, our Sir Nur sir said already, if you want, and he already told the story of his neighbor or something like that. If you want to be something, you try on that. Every circumstance coming for help you. And our all of the teachers are so experienced, good behave, and they are very much. They are always try to how can we learn more, how can I gain more from here and serve to the R&D sector for Bangladesh. I just want to finish. I take huge time from all of them. Thanks a lot, Milos bhai, and I'm very pleased that I am admitted here and I learned huge things and it changed my life, I hope. Thanks a lot.